Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to talk about days, months, and dates in English. This is very important for everyday conversations, like talking about birthdays, plans, and appointments. Don't worry, we'll go step by step and practice together. Let's get started. Let's begin with the days of the week. There are 7 days in English. The first 3 days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Repeat after me: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Great! Now let's continue with the other days of the week. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Repeat after me: Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Perfect. Now let's say all 7 days together. Great. Now let's use the days of the week in real sentences. Today is Monday. I go to school on Wednesday. Saturday is my favorite day. Repeat the sentences with me. Now try to say one sentence about your favorite day. Now let's move on to the months of the year. There are 12 months in English. The first 4 months are January, February, March, April. Repeat after me: January, February, March, April. Great job. Now the next 4 months: May, June, July, August. Repeat after me: May, June, July, August. Very good. Now the last 4 months of the year: September, October, November, December. Repeat after me: September, October, November, December. Excellent. Now let's say all 12 months together slowly. Great. Now let's use the months in real sentences. I was born in June. Christmas is in December. My holiday is in August. Repeat after me. Now try to make your own sentence using a month you like. Now let's learn how to say dates using ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Very good. These words are used when we talk about days of the month. Now let's continue with more ordinal numbers for dates. 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Repeat after me. Great. Now try saying 1st to 10th all together. Now let's learn some bigger ordinal numbers for days. 11th, 12th, 13th, 20th, 21st, 31st. Don't worry if it feels difficult. Practice slowly and it will become easy. Now let's put everything together and talk about real dates. My birthday is on Monday, the 5th of June. I go on holiday on the 12th of August. Repeat after me. Now try to say your own birthday out loud. Now let's practice some common questions with dates. When is your birthday? What day is it today? Which month do you like? Answer these questions out loud to practice speaking. Now let's do a quick mini quiz. What day comes after Thursday? How do you say 15 in a date? If your birthday is 7th of May, how do you say it? Great job. Now it's time for a short practice challenge. Think about your favorite day. Think about your favorite month. Think about your favorite date. Say the full sentence out loud 3 times. Practice makes progress. To summarize today's lesson, we learned the days of the week, we learned the months of the year, we learned how to say dates in English. You're doing great. Keep practicing every day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your birthday in English below. See you in the next video. Bye.